Vocabulary instruction must be strategic and purposeful. To better illustrate when specific word vocabulary instruction should occur and which words should be chosen, let's say that you've selected a complex text that you would like for students to close read. Remember that for the first read of a complex text, the goal is for students to get the gist, to comprehend what the text is saying. So as you review the complex text you have chosen, look for Tier 2 or Tier 3 words that students probably don't know but need to know in order to understand and comprehend the text. Also, think of any Tier 2 words that are not in the text but are about the text that students need to understand in order to understand the story. If students can use one of the word learning strategies previously mentioned to help them figure out the meaning of the vocabulary words chosen on their own, plan to pre-teach the word learning strategy that would be helpful. For example, if students can use context clues to determine the meaning of the unknown words, pre-teach the type of context clues that would help students understand the meaning. If students cannot use one of the word learning strategies previously mentioned, plan to teach the meaning of the words during reading, right when the word is encountered. This would be a quick explanation and then moving on with reading the rest of the text. After you've identified words students need to understand in order to comprehend the text, find Tier 2 words within the text and about the text that are not essential for understanding the text, but add richness to the text, have long-term benefits for students, vocabulary development, and cross various domains. These Tier 2 words should provide the opportunity for students to analyze the author's choice of words and how it shapes meaning in the text. Vocabulary instruction for these words should occur after the initial reading of the text. One last note about choosing vocabulary words to teach is that students must understand the underlying concept of a word in order to understand the meaning of new vocabulary words. For example, if students know what angry means in English or their native language, they can be taught what livid means. If students don't understand what the concept of anger is, then they will have a difficult time understanding the word livid.